Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. And let me just go through Inventory Master. Now, the Inventory Master is a working skeleton, but you're probably going to need to do more to this. This is our basic sort of, bill of materials level, part numbers, unit of measures, standard actual cost, on-hand order, committed available, on-hand dollars, and on-order dollars, committed dollars. But you may well want to do things like have bin numbers, lot sizes and lot numbers. You may want to do expiration dates, and there may be large items or expensive items where there may be serial numbers. So this is not the total solution for you, but it's a really good starting point. And so that's what we've tried to do here. So we have, the inventory master, and then the quantities and values are updated only by transactions, and then we have a bill of materials. And so that gives you a pretty good starting point for a fairly complicated inventory, but we will need to do some work to totally fit this to your requirements. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.